Konnichiwa, minasan.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa,
Hi,
Suchi-san.
Suchi-san. Hi, Aditya-san. Hi, Nirup-san.
Hi.
We
So,
never
how are
get to
you?
meet each other like during class. We never interact. So I thought we'll have this call.
Yes. So,
Why did you decide to learn Japanese?
Okay, I'll go. I decided I have a passion for languages, have been a communicator for the last 10, 15 years. And then I took a break. I started a family. I had some kids. So I decided that now, I should get back to my old passion and learn some of the most amazing and sought after languages in the world. So I've started with Japanese. I've finished one level and it all seems very nice right now. It's very exciting. What about you, Nirup-san?
Actually, I'm basically a mechanical engineer. So, due to less opportunities in India and more technological revolution in Japan, I am thinking to go to Japan. So I should learn Japanese for interaction. And I'm basically a mechanical engineer, should interact with low level laborers or workers also. So we should have the knowledge of the language. So I selected Sakura because they guide the person with respect to his grasping power. So they send us in the right channel. So it has a good guidance and also has good feedback also. So that's why I chose Sakura.
Oh, nice.
Aditya-san?
Yeah. As you people already know that I'm engineer, right? So, and I'm working in Robert Bosch, and I'll be having a good, I can see my future in automobile industry. So I chose Japan will be better for that, and I'm learning this language. And it's also very interesting to learn Japanese, and I thought I can find job there. So this is my motivation point. Yeah.
I think all of us, so I think SNRC has been really cool in this journey, in starting to learn Japanese and everything. And I think all of you will agree their biggest plus point are their trainers, their teachers.
Yes.
They go out of the way to solve our doubts. They sometimes spend a lot of time on a particular doubt in a class, even when classes are, timed and everything. And sometimes trainers have even messaged me after class that, were you okay with this? Was your doubt or your query solved? So I think, and they are so proficient, they know the language so well. There is no way your query will go unanswered. So I think their trainers are their biggest plus point. I think that's like a given for SNRC.
Yeah,
And also the after sessions which we get, the material what we get from them in our mail,
True.
so that we can give our tests and we can know where we are and how to improve and what to be improved. All these points we can, like, the test what they conduct after every set of let us say after 6 to 7 lessons, they will conduct a test, and that test, by giving the test we can improve ourselves.
True. Agree.
yeah, and it's not just like study oriented. Like they have so many other extracurricular activities they organize, like Japan Hubba. They have a Japan Hubba. You guys have heard about it.
Yes.
And they don't only give you information to visit that or like this thing, but they also allow you or they give you the opportunity to participate
So true.
in the thing. So being a part of that cultural uh, festival type of thing, I think that's really cool. That's really cool. And also, I think they have a Facebook page as well, which gives so much information regarding almost everything. Any queries we have, it's there on that Facebook page. And also, they have a special Facebook page called Kyomi, which basically where you can showcase your talents as well. Like it's a good platform for all the students to show who they are, who they truly are. So it's not
Yeah,
just
if we remember, they have a YouTube page where our video was recorded, if you remember.
Yeah.
And about the online classes, yeah, about the online classes, people think
The basic.
very tough to learn through online classes, but our teachers or senseis are working on it. They do give their best to teach us. They guide us very well. They guide us with respect to our grasping power.
So true.
Being a student and having online classes, compared to what they do in college and what they do in SNRC is completely different. It's so much better in SNRC, the online classes. You don't feel that, you don't get that tired. They keep you on your toes even during class. So they'll ask you constant questions during class. They'll get your doubts clear like immediately if you have any. And then you can keep asking the same question over and over again, and they will always be willing to help you.
And in between, they will give us some activities so that
Yes.
we can
Yes,
do
yes.
interact easily. So that's also a plus point.
I think for all of you, even the seminars and etc. that SNRC holds are a big plus, right?
Yes, they also have like connections with Japanese colleges in Japan. So if you are really interested and you want to pursue this, you can actually go to Japan and learn it, and they provide that facility to you as well.
Mm.
Yeah, so that's a big plus as well.
Yeah, and we might and we have to consider this, like in internet we might get a lot of material, but many of those things will be scattered around and we don't know how to order them and take it. We don't know the alignment and we don't have any guidance. So but still SNRC has guidance, and as you said, Jenika-san, they have great teachers who teach well, and they provide great guidance. And as well as the fee structure, especially I have to speak about, it's when we compare to other institutes in the market, then this is very legitimate fee structure. And we can also give in like installments, like, so that's very comfortable to
Yeah.
start our journey and to invest on our experiences or knowledge. Yeah.
Hey guys, I think we have overshot our call time. So let us end this call today, and I'll see you guys all in class on Sunday. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you.
Bye.
See you.
See you
Bye
on
bye.
Sunday.